One, I already mentioned it in a couple of my stripper vlogs, but my new hair. This is a wig, and I fucking forgot to grab the hair. Fuck, one second. So yeah, this is a weave, but I got very similar hair for my weave because I only got this temporarily because me and my neighbor who does my hair, our schedules don't align. That's usually why I put off getting my hair redone so long, because she works like the same schedule as my mom, which is the exact opposite schedule as me. So like when my mom's going to work, I'm usually still in bed, and when I'm, well, leaving for work, my mom's coming home from work. So our schedules haven't been aligning. But the hair I got is very similar to this. I get dark roots, blonde ends, very curly, wavy, virgin deep, and inches 18, 20 to 22. And it's human hair. This is what the packet looks like. And I got 3 packs because I have a big head, so it usually takes like a little less than the whole 3 packs. I usually have like 1 bundle of hair left. But that's the update on my hair. If you guys saw on Instagram this, like, I was supposed to do this video the day that I posted the picture, but I was fucking late. But we hit, you can't see because the balloons are fucking huge. I posted a really cute picture on Instagram. We hit 5,000 subscribers. I think we're at like 5,200 right now. So thank you guys. I am so appreciative, and like you guys' support is like so fucking unreal. Like, I did not think I would be at 5,000. Like, I don't know, when me and Haley were like doing our New Year's Eve vlogs, we were like thinking of like when I will hit like certain numbers, and I don't know, 5,000 wasn't a number I thought of anytime soon. So I can't believe it. I'm so excited, and that's why I was like, holy shit, I gotta do something big. Like, holy shit. So with that, I try to, even with like 5,000 and all the comments I like get between Instagram, Snapchat, and everything, I try to answer all of them. I'm definitely behind at this point, but I try to answer all of them. Going into that, because it gets so overwhelming trying to answer all your comments, one of you guys suggested way back when to create the group me, and that is like the best environment ever. I love it. Like, you guys are so supportive. You guys post and talk about like everything stripper related in there. So if you guys have any stripper questions and I haven't gotten the chance to answer your comments, definitely check out the group me app. And I just, on my Facebook page, Babe Ruthless, I just connected a group. I don't know, so I'm like working on it still, but go like that page, and like once the group's like available and everything, it'll be the same thing as the group me app. It just be on Facebook, so it'll probably be available to people that don't want to download the group me app. But basically it'll be the same thing. So if you want to ask questions, if you have like a bad night and just want to vent, like literally some girls literally just have bad nights and want to vent, and there's girls there to answer them and talk about it, because not everybody have like a family member or friends that they can talk about these situations, or they're comfortable talking about stripping stuff too. So it's like a good place to do that. So questions, any sort of comments, advice. So like a lot of girls ask questions about like shoes. A lot of girls have posted like what type of shoes they have brought, a lot of outfits they have brought. Also the meeting up and going to try clubs together, that would be a good place for that. So definitely I'll have both of those linked down below. As well as, I like the idea of us, I don't know, it's like my channel, but we are a community, and I would love to hear more of your stories just to get to know you guys way more better. That was horrible. Way better. Freaking, so I would definitely, I've received like 2 so far, and I just don't think that's enough to do a video on. So the Stripper Diaries email is specifically for you guys' stories, whether it's a scary story, whether it's a funny story, like an embarrassing story, anything like that. Send it to that email. It's linked below, and I'm pretty sure it's stripperdiaries@hotmail.com. Send those, because I really want to do that video. I think it would be really like funny and like, or like vice versa, like a learning if they're like bad experiences at the club. And I think it would be more interactive with you guys. Also, sorry, I'm just trying to remember all the things I wanted to fucking say in this. Yeah, so if you did send it already, that's why I haven't responded. Maybe I'll respond saying that, like, I'm just waiting to get more. But that's why I haven't done anything, because I'm still waiting on more. So definitely send me more stories for that. Okay, so yeah. That's it. Other than that, I think that's for my updates. I want to do... I have the new pair of sunglasses, well, not sunglasses, the new pair of glasses I got from Firmoo, and freaking a Charlotte Russe and Victoria's Secret haul. Other than that, I'm done. Freaking. No, don't you hate when weight comes out of the end? Like, Jesus. Like, I pushed you down before. So starting off, I only got one thing for Victoria's Secret. I thought this was the cutest fucking windbreaker. And I have long arms, like normally, well, I have long arms and long legs, that's, I don't know. And I always find things like, as soon as I go like this, like they come up halfway up my arm. And this is a small, and it totally fits my long arm, so I fuck with that. I was really excited because it was on, I don't know what sale's going on at Victoria's Secret right now, but it was on that sale, so it was only 20 bucks. So I thought that was a steal. I snagged that because it was different. I don't really care for, like, the other, like, I think I only have, like, one other Victoria's Secret item right now, and it's that, like, sweatshirt I, like, hauled from one of the girls that was, like, selling items at work. And I only like it because the color's in it, not because it just fucking says pink across it. So I usually don't care for Victoria's Secret clothes, but that's, like, really different, and I really fuck with that. These, so that was Victoria's Secret. We're in Charlotte Russe now. These pants. I tried not to cough, but you know, I need to breathe. And I know how some of you guys hate when I cough. Freaking, these were like, I don't know, I think I have the receipt in here. These are $24.99. These weren't on clearance, so I'll see if I can find these online. I linked them before. I got them in a medium, and they fit really nice. Damn. I just got hot and everything. Whew. Jesus. Okay. These I actually still have to try on because I swear to God I'm not a size 8, but they only, like, the smallest size they had was in an 8. Oh my God, I can see my sweat. Fucking. These ones, I'm pretty sure the waist isn't going to fit me, but I still, I don't know, depending on how they fit, I want to keep them because if they're like, I don't know, if they fit in like a cute baggy way, then I'll like them. But depending on how they fit, we'll see. I was going to say, on a side note, I've been really wanting to, like, do a, like, summer lookbook. But I feel like since it's, like, halfway into the summer, summer's almost over. Would you guys care for that, or should I just wait to do fall? If you guys would be down for a summer lookbook, let me know. Because I really think that would be fun and different because, and, like, venture out of, like, my stripper videos into different things. So let me know if you guys would be down, because, like, some of these ideas, I was like, oh my God, that would be so cute. Just, like, walking down the waterfront and record a video of a clip of me walking down the waterfront in it. But, and then this freaking dress, this was on clearance, so I'll see if I can find it. But, let me see, where's the tag? I didn't try this one on. This was $11.99. I thought this was really cute. I literally am looking in my closet right now. I do not have anything yellow. I have a huge sweater, like, winter sweater that's yellow, but that's the only other yellow item I have. And I actually really like this color, and I think it would look really nice on my complexion. So yeah, I grabbed that. And last but not least, these pairs of sunglasses. I don't remember how much these were. Let me see. Where did that receipt go? $4. Bing bang. But I feel like it wasn't on clearance, but like all their sunglasses were like $4. So yeah. Check out Charlotte Russe. Whatever I can find online, I will link it down below. But that's all I have to haul from Charlotte Russe and Victoria's Secret. Jesus. Okay. So Firmoo. From the last one I got, the only reason I grabbed this one is to show you the box that came with it. Well, the holder, the eyeglass holder. So this one that is the holder that came with the last pair of glasses I got from them. And this is the one that came this time. And I'm totally okay with it because, like, it doesn't really matter. But I'm just mad that, like, why didn't I get a pretty one? It's not that it's not pretty, but it just... After seeing the first one, I was just kind of disappointed in the stupid blue one. But these are the glasses I chose from this time around. I think, well, I did wear, I have my ear, so much hair. I wore these and they're dirty right now. The picture, if you follow me on Instagram, the Moana picture I took, I wore these in them. I've been wearing these a lot, actually, in, like, vlogs and stuff, too. I really like the look of them. Bing, bing. But these have been my go-to glasses for when I don't want to do my makeup. I really, really like these ones. If you don't remember the other ones I got, they're probably dirty as well. But these are them. Bing, bing. I really like them. I don't have, well, I don't need glasses. I just really like the look of glasses on me. I have a big full face, so they kind of work with me. But vice versa, if you do need glasses, if you don't, they do prescription glasses and non-prescription glasses. I will have links down below because if you're a new customer, your first pair will be $4.95, and if you're not a new customer, they offer buy one, get one free. So I will link that down below for you guys. But, oh, and definitely let me know if you guys buy a pair for them, if you guys like, well, which one do you like? Do you like the, like, rose gold and clear pair, or do you like the darker tortoise shell pair? Which ones do you like? Which ones do you prefer? Definitely check them out below. There you have, like, so many different styles. Like, I was actually overwhelmed picking out a style I wanted. I don't know. I feel like the tortoiseshell was just, like, you know, everybody just needs, like, a classic tortoiseshell pair of glasses, and those were, like, perfecto for what I wanted. But I definitely will be checking them out again because I definitely like the look of, like, fake glasses, but not. And if you do need them, definitely check them out because they have, like, amazing eye looks. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah.